Why smart children still lose marks in math? Many parents tell me this. My child understands the concept, but still loses marks in math. This usually isn't because the child is weak. It's because the child is thinking in the wrong order. Let's try this. A tank contains 120 liters of water. 3/8 of the water is poured out. How much water is left? This looks like a very simple question. But this is exactly the type of question where smart children still make mistakes. Let me show you what many children do. They calculate correctly, and the answer even looks right. But notice something important. Most children see numbers, and they immediately start calculating. But they never stop to ask, what exactly is the question asking me to find? This whole bar represents all the water in the tank. That is 120 liters. Because the fraction is in eighths, we divide the whole into 8 equal parts. These 3 parts are poured out. This part is gone. But the question is not asking how much is poured out. It is asking how much water is left. Once the model is clear, the calculation becomes very straightforward. The mistake is not math, it's rushing. Children who are trained to draw and interpret models make fewer careless mistakes, even without doing more practice. This is the kind of thinking habit that needs to be built over time. It's not about speed, it's about clarity.